In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create new documents and files from within Office 365. When you log into your account on your home screen, you're going to see some icons that you're very familiar with. This is the place where you can work with Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or create PowerPoint presentations. It's a good idea to get into the habit of creating your documents in the same way each time, and the way we recommend doing this is always by beginning in OneDrive. When you click on your OneDrive icon, it's going to open up a new tab, and up top you're going to see in the gray ribbon a place that says New. When you click on the New button, you're going to see several choices. This is where you can create new folders, but it's also where you can create different files based on which program you're looking to work in. For this example, I would like to create a new Word document. I'm going to do that simply by clicking on where it says Word document. You'll notice a new tab up top opens up, and you're going to see that we are now working on the Word Online version. At this moment, the document or file that I created is already saved, but right now it's titled Document. It's a good habit to get into to name your file right away so that if you need to access it again, you're not looking through many files named Document. So I just simply click on the name and I can give it a new name. Once I hit the Enter button, you're going to see that my changes have already been saved. Because we are working in the online version, everything that we do is syncing back to our OneDrive account. We don't have to worry about looking for any type of save button. So I can continue working in my file. And you will notice right up top in the blue bar, it's going to say saving as I'm editing this. Once I'm all finished, I can exit out of this document without worrying about losing anything. And to show you this, all you need to do is click back where it says your name. It's going to bring me back to my OneDrive storage location, and I can scroll through my files and look for that document I just created. To access it again, I'm going to click on its name, and it's going to open up that same second screen. If I wanted to continue working on this, I would just begin typing in there. Some of you might need to use some features in Word that are not available in Word Online, and you might need to open up the full desktop version or the Office 2016 version. In order to do this, you need to click on the gray ribbon where it says Open in Word. When I click this button, it's going to ask me which application I would like to launch, and it will say Word, and I'll simply click Open Link. This is going to be the version that most of you are going to be familiar with and very comfortable with. From here, you can once again go ahead and make any changes that are necessary. The only difference here is we are no longer in the online version. You don't see a web address up top, and you don't see where it says Word Online. It's going to be important now that we make sure we are saving these changes. And to do this, you're going to need to look for the floppy disk icon with these circular arrows. When you click on this icon, all of your changes are going to be saved back up to the cloud, which was where your document was created. When you X out of the Word, it's going to take you back to where your online Word document is. And you're going to see that all of the changes that you just made are refreshed and will pop up. Once you're done working in this document, remember now we're in the online version, so everything auto-saves, you can just X out of it. After you close out of whatever file it was that you were working on, you'll notice that you'll be back in your OneDrive file location. You can continue making new documents, new Excel spreadsheets, or PowerPoint presentations right from the same drop-down where it says New. So go ahead and give this a try.